No doubts. Shall I ask few questions on that one? Okay. I am having employee data. I need job wise highest salaries. How I can get? Hmm? See, I am asking any questions means you need to split the question. Okay, job wise means that should be in group, group by. Okay, group by job, highest salaries. Simply you can say job, comma max of salary. That's it. Why you are worrying about so many things? If I am asking, if you, anybody is asking any question, means you need to split. Try to understand what will be the possibility. He is segregating the job wise. Okay, so you need to think in that way. Okay, what is save point? What is save point? Yesterday we discussed it, right? Save point. Periodically, if you want to save or cancel the previous transactions, then you have to use the save point. That will till that point. Okay, that period, whatever is, if you are somebody's, see, normally same thing will be happen in real time also. If you go on in bank, okay, you are doing some deposits and all, it will be with the deposit, whoever taking the money and whoever withdrawing the money, only with that will be there. But actually if loans and all na, what will happen, if they take some request by lower level people, that will be, that will be confirmed by accountant. Another person will be there. What does mean, he has done some modifications in that, but still accountant should confirm the loans or everything. Okay, till the time that that will be in hold. Okay, on top of that his verification will be there. So for that only save point will use. Okay, they will there will be some additional button, additional screen to verify the things and all. There will be some save point name will be there. Based upon the save point, whatever lower level employee will do the transactions and all, another person will confirm that one, means higher level employee. Okay, higher level employee will verify the transactions. If it is fine, then he will confirm the transaction, means he will do the commit. If it is, if something went wrong in the his transactions, okay, his DML operations, means what he will do, he will cancel the previous transaction. Something went wrong, please verify once, like that again he sent back to the lower level employee. That's what will happen. Okay, that and all how they will implement, simply by using the save point actually. Okay, that is the real time scenario for save point. Okay, anybody have any doubts? Subqueries, all are clear, right? Okay, next, joins. Okay, let's, I am having employee data. Okay, I am having department data. Okay, I want employee details along with his department name and location. With subqueries, what we can do, either we can get the department details, or we can get employee details, right? As of now we tried same thing. Did we tried along employee details along with department details? No, right? One time we have displayed by using case statement. We want department name. For the 10th means we displayed as accounting, 20th means by displaying displayed such research, 30th means sales, like that we displayed. But it is not from the table. For that we have externally, we are substituting the string, right? We are done or not? Okay. If you want to fetch two or more tables data, then you have to use the join. Okay. Join means horizontally you need to join. Let me open. Okay. Here I am having employee table. Okay. Okay, this is employee table. Here I am having department table. Okay, I want the details from both the tables. Okay, from both the tables, different columns here. Department number, department id, location and address and country, like that. You can assume so many columns are there in the department. Employee means employee id, salary, name, manager. Department number is the key column to join this one. Okay, by referring that join key, we can get the department details also. Okay, you can get at a time all the fields. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I want to get employee information along with the department. How we can do this one means simply by joining this one. Okay, you can joins we can use in two ways. Okay, by specifying the join keyword, or simply in from class by mentioning the two or more tables. Okay, let's we'll show first this one. Okay, department d comma d dot star. Okay, if you are using this one means no need to mention any join column. Okay, that is not mandatory, but if you want to get the data perfectly means you should uh, use the where class. Okay, specific join column a dot dpt id, right? Dpt number only key, right? Join key, common column. We need to use the common column dpt number. Okay, let's see. See, now you are getting the employee data. What is that? No, there is no space. Okay, you will get the data. Okay, see, I am having the department number and I am getting the department details for department 10. Okay, that is accounting. Department name is accounting, location is New York. Okay, here make sure if you are not using any join columns. Okay, if you are not using the join keywords, you have to use the join condition in where class. That will work same. Okay, in all the places. Same query we can write in another way. That is called, we can say, ANSI joins. Okay, here actually inner join. If you are specifying the equal to keyword, equal to means, this means you are doing the equal join. What it will do na, it will come, it will join. Okay, wherever department numbers are equal, that will join. Okay, see here department number is 10, here department number is 10. It will make the join with this key. Okay, with this key it will make the join and it will fetch the department details, accounting and New York. Okay, here 30th is there. For 30th department, whatever data is there in the department table, it will try to add in the result. Okay, same way for each and every department, it will go and fetch the records from the department table. Okay, this we can if we are using the join key means you have to specify the keyword on. Okay, you have to specify that one. Same this will be same. Okay, there is no this we can say ANSI join, this we can say normal inner join. Okay, this is one type of join alternative for that one. Actually ANSI joins and all came around 1995, I guess. Okay, before that everything they are using in from class only, and they are making the join key join columns and everything in where class. Okay, but still that feature is enabling, so we can use anywhere. Not only in this one, this joins and all will be there any database, Oracle, Snowflake, any database, SQL Server, any database you can go, this will be there. Okay, this normal join and this ANSI joins both will support. Okay, there are different types of joins are there that we'll discuss. Anybody have any doubts in this one? Why join will use? What is the thing here? Hmm? Why we can use the join? What is the purpose of join? Why we need to join the table, two tables? Okay. See, as of now, we are selecting the data only from the employee table or only from the department table. Correct, right? Sir, no. Still yesterday we have done same thing. Okay, let me open the subqueries and all. See, we have student table and marks table. If required, here what we are getting for each and every employee. Okay, let me show you this one. For student, okay, how many student got passed all the exams? Okay, how many students written all the exams that we have written? For that, what we have done, we have collected all the information about students, and will done the their how many exams they've written. Okay, that by using group by and by checking the having class, we selected the data, but we are not selecting here student number and marks and student name. We are not selecting that one. Only we are selecting whether see how many students written all the exams. Okay, for that, by filtering the data and all, we are getting the information. Okay, as of now. But in case of if required student details along with their marks, okay, we don't have option. Okay, student details along with his marks means we need to combine. It's horizontally we need to pick the values. As of now we have done in filter. Okay, based upon this department name, okay, the department location, we have filtered the employee details who are working in location Dallas, who are working in department name research. That we have done with the subqueries and all. If you want employee data along with department data, then if you need to do join horizontally at a time by using some equivalent key, by common key, we can join the two tables and we can pick. Maybe here it will be data will be duplicate, but you are getting the data or not. Research Dallas for 20th department, for 10th department accounting you are. Okay, here we are having one more record extra, that is 40th department. Okay, 40th department operations Boston, that let it be. But as of now, for whatever employees having in the 10, 20, 30th departments, for them, you are getting the department details also. How you can get means you need to make the join, any one of the join. Okay, there are different types of joins are there that we'll discuss, but you have to do some join. Okay, that join you can make in two ways, either by specifying the join keyword or directly you can specify the table names in the from class. Okay, you can do one thing here. Okay, instead of directly mentioning the table name, you can specify the select statement also, that already we saw, right? This is also same only, right? This will act as a one table. This is one table result or not. Okay, here you can add anything. This will allow. Don't ignore previous classes. Okay, you can apply anything here. Okay, you can get the data. Both are same only. What you are doing? This select statement you are using as a table. Here you are say this select statement you are using as a table, department table. Okay, simply it will take the alias name with reference, and this result set will take the department number. From this result set, it will take the department number. It will make the join simply. If A dot department number equal to B dot department number, see what is that one? A dot department number is 10, B dot department number is 10. Directly it will make the join, and whatever columns for you required, directly it will pick. Okay, you don't want to display all the columns, you want to display only specified columns, you can specify that one: emp number, ename, salary, commission. Okay, let's say I want to show department number. We'll see department number, what, dpt number, d name, location. Okay, I want to show only these many columns, not required all the columns. You can select that. Select class is, that is your choice, what are all the columns for you required. Okay, that you can decide yourself. Okay, simply you can showcase only those columns. So why I need to specify the specifically this a dot department number for department number means, actually we are having the department number column in both the tables. So if you are not specifying means, system cannot identify from which table I need to pick the department number. Okay, column ambiguously defined. This error is very important. Many times you will get this one. If you are getting this error means, system is somewhere, some common column is there. System cannot able to identify the which column needs to pick to the result. Okay, so for that you can specify the specific department, any of the table. Okay, either A or B. Okay, you can showcase anything, just you have to specify the alias name for that. That's why all the try to habituate the giving the alias names for the tables. Okay, so that this type of errors you cannot get. If you are specifying the alias name for the tables means, you will get. Even you no need to write alias name here, actually directly you can write the emp table, it will allow. Okay, let me show you that one also. Okay, emp dot department number, dpt dot department number, like that we can showcase. Okay, instead of d, you can directly use the table names. Okay, let's assume in real time table names will be very lengthy. Let's assume it's having some 20 characters, 30 characters. You need to type all the things. Why you need to type that much length? Simply by specifying alias name. Simple, for your understanding, developer understanding, right? In the, to client or to customer, we are not showcasing any SQL queries and all. So developer can write himself that alias name as a very short manner. Okay, that reference directly he will use. Okay, this is also same. If you are specifying the instead of this one, if you are specifying the alias names also same. Okay, you can do anything. Okay, both are same. If you want to select specific number of columns, you need to use the column names in the select class. Otherwise you can use, if you want all the columns from the both the tables means, directly you can specify the star for the both the tables. Okay, if you are specifying the specific columns means, you should use the alias name for the common column. Don't ignore this one. If you are ignoring this one, you will get column ambiguously defined, like that you will get error. Okay, because dpt number is table is there in the this a table, and here also it is there, so system cannot able to decide which column we need to pick. This dname and location having these two columns are having only department number. So no matter for the for this one, directly it will pick from the this table only. Here employee number, employee details, all the things will be there in the emp table. So directly it will pick from that. But only department number is having from both the tables. So if we are having the common column names, then you have to specify the alias name for that. Okay, in this one anybody have any doubts till now? Okay, if you are not specifying the where class means what will happen, can anybody tell me if you know already? Here where clause is not mandatory, right? It is a simple. If you are specifying the inner join keyword means ANSI join means you have to specify the key column. Okay, that join condition you need to specify. If you are using normal select statement means no need to specify the where class. That is not the mandatory. If you are specifying, you will get exact result. Otherwise, what it will do now? Simply it will do the cross product means directly it will pick from the this table and it will join with all the records in the second table. Okay, so here actually we are having 14 records in the employee table, 4 records in the department table. Okay, what will happen now? Each record will join with these 4 records. Okay, means 14 records will come join with these 4 records. 14 into 4, how many records will come? 50 records, 56 records will come. Okay, see 53. This we can say cross join. Okay, this is also one type of join. If you are not specifying any join columns in this one means if you are not specifying the where class means what it will make, simply it will pick the all the records from the first table and it will pick the all the records from second table. It will make the join. Okay, no matter your department number is same or not, doesn't matter. Directly what it will do, because you are not matching anything, simply you are joining. So what it will do, it will take from the first record. Okay, go and check. King will be there 4 records. Okay, king, yeah, here it is there again, king is there total 4 times because we are having 4 records. See, one is operations, it will be there, one with research, and one is accounting, and one with one is in sales. Okay, so like that it will join the all the columns, all the rows, each and every record. Okay, so that we can say cross product, cross join, we can say this one. Okay, if you want to make the equal scenario for that, simply you have to specify the, instead of inner, you have to specify the cross join here. Okay, what it will do, it will join. And if you are specifying the this one means it, yeah, for cross join actually on class will not be there. Directly it will do the cross join. Okay, direct for cross join only, no need to specify the on condition. For any other join other than this cross join, for all the joins we need to specify the on class. Okay, we'll discuss what all the joins are there, how we can use. Okay, what is the use with that one, that and all we'll discuss. Okay, join concepts I have explained. Anybody have any doubt in this one, why we need to make the join, what is the use with that one? Anybody have any doubt as of now in this theory? All are clear, right? Okay. Actually, joins indicate. Yes, normally that once we discussed primary key, foreign key, constraint topics, na, then we can discuss that one. Normally, this join keys, right? This is the common columns. Common columns means what? We are having some relationship between the EMP table and DEPT table. Okay, so what will be the key for the maintaining the relationships and all? Normally foreign key. So definitely maximum will use the foreign key only. It's not mandatory to use foreign key. See some. Okay, for EMP and DPT, this is the master table, this is the child table. Please ignore this time. Okay, this is the to make the join. This will use. Sometimes people will won't use the constraints and all. Okay, still they want to make the join. Okay, so not mandatory to use foreign keys and all. That will be, it's a depends on requirement. Okay, if we are having foreign key relationships and all means definitely we'll use the foreign keys only 100%. If we don't have, see, as of now we have not discussed any constraint, right? Okay, in this batch. Once I have explained that constraint topics, I will explain that one. That if you are using the constraints and all means, actually we need to pay to Oracle company more money. Okay, there will be lot of things will include in that one. So without using constraint also, we can do the joins and all. Okay, just you should know the what is the relation with for these two tables. What are all the column name common columns? Okay, that if you know that one means that will be enough to make the joins and all. Okay, are you clear? Okay. Uh, yeah, joins. There are different types of joins are there in Oracle. Not only in Oracle, in all the databases, these joins will be there. Okay, equi join or inner join we can say. Just now we have discussed it, right? Inner join means if we are having the common columns. Okay, to make the it will it will match the only matching matching rows. Okay, here department number is 10, here department number is 10, or it will match the record only for this 10 department. Okay, here 30th it is cross product, right? So that's why it is not comparing. But in case of inner join means only it will pick the wherever records are matching, wherever that join key is matching, only it matches the that particular records. Okay, see 30 30 it is matching, that's why it is picking the 30th department details from department table, and 30 this record from the employee table. For this one also, this is department number 10, so here also for the department number 10 it will pick the record from the dpd table. Like that it will pick all the records. Okay, wherever key is matching, in all the places records will fetch from both the tables. Okay, this is called inner join. Okay, or we can say equi join. We are making the equality operator, means if the values are equal, key values, then it will make the join. Okay, are you understood? Is anybody having any doubts in the inner join? No, right? Okay, apart from that equi joins, we are having a few more joins, that is outer join. Okay, let's uh, we'll create one more table. Okay, we'll explain this one on this one only. See, if you check department data, you are having one record extra. 40th department, there is no record in the employee table. Okay, is there any record with 40th department? No, right? 10, 20, 30 only is there. Okay, do you have any department number for 40? No, right? Say yes or no. Just by seeing you can tell me that one. We don't have, right? But still I want the 40th department details. If it is matching, okay, you can display that one. But I want employee details along with the all the departments. Okay, I need all. If I want to display all the employee details along with the department details, all the department details, not only for the particular department. I want all the departments details along with employee data. Okay, so that time what we have to do, there is the outer joins. If the data is not matching from the both the tables, still you want to display the any one of the table full details, then you have to go for the outer joins. Okay, there are three types of outer joins are there. One is left outer join and right outer join, full outer join. What is left outer join means, let's create one more table. Okay, create, yesterday we have created, right, student table. Yeah, that will be good. Select the star from student. Okay, we are having six students. Okay, select distinct s number from marks table, right? Okay, here we are having only five, means we are having one student, okay, that Manohar is not written any exam. That's why that records are not there in the marks table. Okay, that is what our understanding. Correct or not? Okay, I want all the student marks. Okay, whether he passed or failed doesn't matter. For me, required all the student information along with his marks. How we can get? If you are doing the inner join means you cannot get this detail, right? Say yes or no. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to use the left join for that. Okay, so how we can do, simply select student. Yes, okay, can I use alias name as yes for that, just for your understanding purpose. Okay, and if you are, let me show with inner join. Okay, inner join, and table is marks, one more. Okay, marks is m. Okay, what is the join key here? Huh? On. Okay, what is the join key here? S number, right? S number. Okay, m dot s number. Okay, now you can fetch whatever records you want. Okay, I want to display all the student details, so s dot comma, you can specify the marks. Okay, m dot star. Okay, it will show the all the things. Okay, let me execute. Okay, what you will get, student table name is wrong. Okay, so you are getting all the details, but you are not getting any details of Manohar, right? You are not getting, right? Okay, his details we are not getting. Still, I want. So instead of this one, I will select one more. Okay, I will make, instead of inner join, I will make left join. Okay, left join or left outer join, both are same. You can use both the keywords. Okay, left join or left outer join, both are same. Okay, see what will happen, you will get the all the student details. Okay, because it's the left means it's a left side table, right means right side table, nothing is there in that one, no need to think much. Okay, if you are doing this one means left side table, whatever is there, it will fetch all the records. If it is matching from the right side, it will, you will get the all the details. If it is not matching, you will get the null values for that. Okay, you will get the null values for right side table, that is called left join. Any confusion in this one? Earlier with inner join, how many records we got? There are, by matching the records and all, we got total 24 records, because right side table we are having 24 records, that's where we got that one. Now what is happening, we are doing the left join now. Okay, means I am fetching the all the student details. Okay, whether he has written all the exams or not doesn't matter, but I need to display all the student information, okay, along with his marks. So what you have to do, for that you have to do the left join. Okay, because it's a left side, right, left side table, right? If you are making this to same requirement, if you want to get the all the students, just you can, by changing the table names means, you have to use right join, that is also same. Okay, just if you are specifying the left side means, it will be the left join. If you are specifying at right side means, it will be the right join. Okay, this is inner join. You will get all the records from the left side table along with his matching records. Okay, if for the unmatched records, you will get the value as null. Okay, are you clear? Anybody have any doubt in the left join? Everybody, I should get from everybody. Okay, let's, I will take employee DEPT only. Okay, I want all the details of department means I need all the department details along with employee details. Okay, use left side table as emp, use right side table as dpt. So how I can get, because we are having the one department extra in the department table, which are in the department there is no employee, but still I want the department details. So how I can do means simply just specifying the right join here. Okay, right join. Okay, so instead of inner you can specify the right join. If you are specifying the right join means right side table whatever is data, okay, entire data will display. And if it is matching any records in the left side table, that will fetch. Okay, for left join and right join on condition is mandatory, only cross join only not required. For left right any join it is mandatory. Okay, if you are using the ANSI joins and all. Okay, so you will get all the details. If the record is not matching, then you will get value as null. Okay, for the unmatched record, since you don't have any employee in the 40th department, but you are displaying the this department also. Are you clear? Anybody have any confusion? No, right? Let's take full outer join. I will create one more example. Okay, this one only. Let's insert few records to the marks tables which are not there in the student table. Okay, district star. Let's assume he is from different school, so he is not there in the school. In the all the students are there in the school. He is from different organization. Okay, we are having three columns. Insert into marks. Okay, values. Let's take here. Here we'll take 1004. Okay, 100011. Okay, I will start like that because he is from different organization. Okay, subjects will take same subject. Okay, commerce. He got some 85 marks. Okay, let's insert for other records also. Mass. Okay, insert the various 75. Okay, save student and inserting the records for all the subject. Another subject is English, right? English, insert some 75. Okay, no issue. Can insert. Another subject what I have written accounts, right? Let's take accounts. Okay, so I am having data in the marks table, one record extra which are not, the student details are not there in the student table, but I have the student marks details are now. Okay, I am having these details also. Okay, 1001. Okay, 10001. I want all the students information, all the marks details. Okay, if the student details are matching, okay, for particular student you can display that one. If it is not matching, okay, then still needs to display his student marks. And if the student is not written any exam fees, I need complete student information. Both I need, both the requirements. Okay, you are getting my point what I am telling. If the student is existed from the both the table, you can match the records and display. If it is not matching, okay, if the student is not belongs to that organization, or if the student is not written all the exams, but still for me required complete data from the both the tables. So what you have to do is full outer join. You have to use full join or full outer join, both are same. Okay, same condition, just by specifying the join full, you can get complete data. Okay, see, if record, okay, the student is not existed in the student table, so for that you will get the data as null. Okay, just will make some order on top of this one so that you will get some clear. Okay, order by some s number. Okay, again s you will get some error. Why? Because s number is there from both the tables, you will get column obviously. So what you have to do, you have to specify the which column, which table you have to verify that one, so that you can refer that one, that you can specify in the order by class. So now you are getting the all the student information. The students belongs to same organization, so for them you are getting the all the marks. Okay, here you are have Bala Manohar is there, right? He is not written any exam, but you are fetching the that student details. He has not written any exam. That's why you are getting the values as null. Okay. Again, one of the student is there. That is 1000111 student ID. He is not belongs to this particular organization, but he has written the exams from for exams and all. So he got this many scores and he's displaying. So you are displaying, you are able to fetch from both the records, both the tables. How you can fetch that one means by using full join, full outer join. Okay. Any confusion in this one? Everybody is clear, right? Left join, right join, full join, and inner join. Are you clear? Okay, I will create one dummy table now. Okay, create drop table T1. Okay, drop table T1. Okay, table registered. Okay, let me create table. Create table. Table name. Okay, I can maybe custom account. Okay, see, we create like that. Account ID. Okay, AID means account ID, which is number, and account name. Okay, AC name, account holder name, varchar 2 of 100. Okay, and you can say what are all the details required. Address, right? Address, varchar 2 of some 100. Let's take some font. Okay, that will be varchar 2. Okay, some 10. Okay, this is the table. I have created the table. Next, one more table I will create, which is transaction table. Okay, transaction table. Here, what you will be there? Account ID will be there, because for which account you are doing the transactions, right? So each and every time it will generate some transaction ID, that will be number. Okay, transaction amount, right? Some that will be number, and transaction date. Okay, this will be date. Okay, I am having one more table, transaction table. Okay, let me insert few records to the account table. Okay, insert into account values. Now tell me possible values. Let's start with 1001 as account. Account name is, okay, let me use my names only. Okay, Balu. and address some Bangalore I will give. Okay. Next I will give some PAN number. Okay, some ABC. Just you can ignore that one. Let me, okay, one row is created. Let me insert few records. Account ID is 2, account 3, 4, 5. Okay, here P, here we need next Basha. Okay, like that I am having data. All are belongs to same. Some ABC, some 1, 2, 3 give you PAN numbers. Okay, okay. I am having this much, this many accounts in the account table. Okay, so let's start from accounts. I'm having 5 records. Let me insert the records for transaction table also. Insert into transaction values. Okay, account ID should be 1001 like that only, right? Let's take that one. And the transaction ID, okay, you can give 1001. Okay, just use that one. And amount I have, okay, let's assume amount means transaction type will be all the times it's a deposit only. Okay, and transaction date you can give some since date minus 10. Okay, 10 days back I have deposited. Okay, arrow is inserted. Let me add many records. So 2, 1, 5. Okay, here 2, 3, 6. Okay, just you can change the things. Just you can ignore the data. Doesn't make any sense. Just for your understanding, I'm telling. Just will remove the table. What will be the use of truncate? Anybody tell me what it will do? Delete the records. Along with that, what it will do? No need to use the not. We cannot use where condition. That's okay. Actually, what it will do? No need to trigger the commit command. It's a auto commit. Okay. Don't ignore that point. You have to mention mainly that point. Okay. Truncate will not change the table structure, but okay, since it's a DDL command, no need to trigger the commit command externally. If you are doing the delete operation means what you have to do. If you are doing the delete operation means what will happen? Record will what system will do? It will copy the entire data and will keep in buffer memory. There only data will get removed. Okay, in the buffer memory. Once you trigger the commit command, then only the changes will apply in permanent storage. Till that time, your changes will be there in buffer memory only. Any DML operation, insert, update, delete, anything. Okay. But in case of DDL commands means whatever you are doing a changes, that will applicable in directly in permanent storage. Okay, if you are doing the DML operations means that will be done in buffer memory. For buffer memory changes, if you want to apply in permanent storage means need to trigger the commit command externally. Okay, for DDL commands no need to trigger the commit command, automatic it will, all DDL commands will be auto commit, right? This is very important all the times. Okay, you are having data, okay, transaction table data, and you are having accounts table data. Now, okay, now I want the details for Ali, all the transaction detail along with his account details. How I can fetch? What you have to do, I want all the details for Ali along with his transaction details. Now tell me the query, how I can get that one. How to change? First, you can tell me the query, how I can write that one. Okay, that you can write later. Whatever columns required, that you can write later. First, what you have to do? What I am asking? I am asking the Ali details. Okay, where I am having Ali details? I am having. Huh, just you can ignore the account details. Okay, left, right, whatever it may be, that will decide. First, what I am asking? I am asking Ali details. Okay, where actually Ali details are there? Now I am expecting Ali details along with transaction details. Earlier, what is our requirements? Whatever transactions done by Ali, that transaction detail I want means simply if you are using the subquery means you will get the transaction details for Ali. But that time you are not asking the Ali details. But now what I am asking Ali details along with his transaction details. Means what you have to do, you need to join the two tables. First, first where I am having Ali details, account details. Okay, so first we have to use the account tables first. Okay, see, right? Now, to whom I need the details? For Ali. Okay, so what you have to do? Inner join will see later. Okay. Before that, what you have to do? You need only Ali details. Ali details. So means what? Filter. So what you have to do? Where account name equal to Ali. Right. Now you got the okay Ali details. Okay. Next, my question is what? Need Ali details along with transaction detail. Okay. Next, now along with transaction, where I'm having transaction details. Okay, so I need to join transaction table. Okay, so you need to make the join. Okay, which join I need to use? Why only needs to use inner join? Why can't use left join, right join, full join? Why can't we use left join, right join? Why direct? Why we need to use only inner join? Yes, you want only matching records, only for the uh, Ali, whatever is their account number, only that details required. So you need to match. If you want to match the records, which join you have to use? You have to use the inner join. That's the Okay, which table? Transaction table. Okay, just you can specify the T. Next, what you have to use? If you are using the join, okay, what we have to use next? What we have to write? We should write on condition. Okay, just you can type on. What is the key column? C dot aid, right? That is aid. Aid equal to p dot aid. Okay. So now you will get the you are matching this one. So you want details, right? So how you can fetch? Directly you can fetch the in the this one. Okay. P dot star you can specify. You will get the data. You are getting the only early records. Yes or no? Okay. This is the inner join. Next, I want all the account details along with transaction details. How I can get? Earlier I'm asking for Alice. Okay. Now I am asking for all the all the account holders along with the transaction detail. Sure. Why we need to use full join? I am not asking along with not all the transaction detail. Only okay. All the account holders along with corresponding transaction detail. Okay. Corresponding transaction details. Okay. Just my change my question. Okay. You need to use left join. Can anybody tell me the query how I can do that one? Select from. Okay. Okay. Same, because we need to use this one instead of inner. We need to use left join. Next condition would be this one. Okay. Next, what I have to do? Okay. Add the columns. Is it required any where class here? Why? Because we are not specifying any. We are not doing any filter. We are fetching the all the details. Okay, all the account holder detail. So simply you will get the all account details. Here Basha not done any transactions. We are not getting the transaction details. Okay. Next, let's amount means these are all the deposits. Okay, he's depositing. I want Vinith how much he has amount in his account as of now. How I can get that one? Yes, tell me the query. Need Vinith amount as of now. Okay, how I can get it? How I can get? Yeah, now tell me query. Select from, okay, account, inner join transaction. Okay. Next, needs to mention the join on class. Okay, this we can say on class. Next, what we have to do? Account name equal to Vinith, right? We need to specify that one. First, we need to filter that one. Account name equal to what? Vineet. Now, how I can get the total amount in the account? Hmm. What does mean? You are having amount. Okay, you are doing many days transaction depositing. I want how much I am having in account for Vineet. Means what? 500 here and here 100. Total 600 I should get for Vineet. How I can do that? Hmm? You should be clear. Yeah, tell me. Hmm. C dot star, comma, hmm? T dot, sum of amount. Is it work? You need to specify the alias name before the column name. Okay, not in the before the function. Okay, that is one thing. Still, is it work? You are fetching the transaction details. Okay, for the Vinith, but I want summation for that. Means I need to calculate. I need to do sum for the his transactions. How I can do? See, understand the question. Need Vinith total amount. Here itself we can come to know which we need to use. You are doing the sum, means you are doing the aggregation operator. So what you have to do? Group by, excellent. What is the field for this one? Where we are having this field? Huh? Where we are having this Vinith details? Yeah, for which column? You need to specify that particular column. Okay. If you are doing that one means, and also instead of star, if you are doing the star means you cannot fetch. If you are doing group by means, same column should use here, otherwise it won't work. Okay, now you will get the Vinith total amount in the his account. Okay, means what I have done, I combined the both the tables, I joined the both the tables based upon the account ID. After that, I did filter for only Vinith. Okay, I did the join. I did the group by for that. Okay, for particularly for the particular account holder, and right side table I am having the account details. I need only sum for that particular field. That's where I will make the aggregate operator. Okay, that is sum. Are you getting? Okay, next. Now I did for only Vinith. Now I want for all the people total amounts. Need total amounts for individual accounts. In individual accounts. Individual accounts. Okay. Means in the above statement, if we are not using the where class, simply you will get the all the individual account holder details. Okay. This is correct, right? Now, okay, let me query this statement again. I need on 16th who are all done the transaction, those those account details and transaction details I need. whoever done the transaction on 16th, only for them I required transaction details. Whoever done transactions on 16th October 2002 need account and transaction detail. For whoever done transaction on 16th October 2022. How I can do? Yeah, tell me first query, build the query. That is okay. By if I am specifying the date means directly you can say this is the filter only. Simply you can specify in filter. But you have to write the query. Okay? Select. Next. What I have to use? Hmm? You are having the details and account and transactions, right? Transaction date where we are having transaction, so you should combine the both the tables, account and transaction table. This is clear, right? Everybody, we need to mention the join. Okay, this is also clear. Is there anybody having any doubt? No. Okay. Next, for me, what is required on 16th whoever done. Okay, on 16th means what? You have to filter the records from second table, right? Simply you have to filter on top of. See, here itself we can add that one. Okay, here also you can add that one. And t dot transaction date, right? Column name. Transaction date equal to 16th October 2022. This will also will work. Okay, if you specify c dot star and t dot star, let's see why it is not showing. Hmm? Why I am unable to fetch the data? Can anybody tell me? I am having data 16th October 2022, but still I cannot able to fetch the data. Where? Why? You need to specify in date format. Okay, this is okay. Sometimes will take by your UI, sometimes will not take. Okay, you have to specify the which format you are passing the value. Okay, ddmon YYY. Okay. Next, why it is 16th? We have done the transactions, right? Okay. We are having actually we inserted the data with sysdate. Actually, what sysdate will contain? Sysdate will contain the timestamp also. That's way. But we are doing here only this one. So what you have to do? You have to convert. Okay, to date. Is the timestamp actually correct or not, guys? You're understanding my point or not? Actually, we have inserted the values that time sysdate, which are containing timestamp also. Okay. If you are specifying the date column here means date data type means it will accept the timestamp also. Okay. But if here you are passing only date value. We are not passing timestamp. So what it will do? It will ignore that one. It won't compare. Okay. You have to specify the function called toDate. Okay. We need to convert the timestamp to date. Just you can consider only toDate like that. That it will take. Okay. This in this manner we can get that this one details and all. Okay, everybody is clear, right? This one, anybody have any doubts in this one? Anybody have any doubts on particular day, on particular 16th date, who are all done the transaction? Okay, next, for the same requirement I need, okay, I am getting the these details. For these people, I need their total amounts in their accounts. Okay, need total amount in the account. How I can do for these people, Balu and Ali, two people done the transaction on 16th day. For these two people, I need their totals, total amounts. How I can do? Huh? How I can do? Okay, this is anyway it's mandatory. I will write that one. Let's write select. Next, what I have to do? Where I need to write some. Select sum of what? Amount. Okay, t dot amount. No need to mention t also because we are having amount column in only one table. Okay, next what I have to do? Group by. Hmm. Okay, yeah, yeah, correct. Where transaction date equal to, same condition we need to use. Correct, right? Next, group by what? Hmm? Okay, account name. Okay, account name. Yes. Two account holders details. And account name in. Hmm? I don't know the names. Okay, what I told, whoever done the transactions on 16th October, for them need account details. That's what I told. And class not required, right? Let's execute. Yeah, that's it. Okay, what you have done? Just whoever done transactions on 16th day. First, what you have done? Just you can ignore where class. First, you have done the combine the both the tables. Okay, you joined with inner join. Okay, and on conditions on account ID basis, you have done that this one. Okay, what you want? You want total amount. Okay, individually you have done that one. Okay, and what you have done 16th October, whoever done the transactions. So for that, what you have to do, you need to filter. Simply you can filter that one. Okay, and you can specify, you need to group, right, by accounting name or account number. If you are grouping means, you will get the sum of the amount by adding the aggregate function. That's it. Anybody have any doubts in this one? Anybody have any doubts as of now? Inner join, everybody is clear, right? Let me ask one last question. Okay, transaction only two times only, right? Let me add one more record here. There are three members deposited the amount. Actually, that account holders not in the current branch. Okay, these two person 1009 and 1010 are not there in the not belongs to this corresponding branch. Okay, they are from some different branch. Okay, you can imagine like that. They are also done that some transactions. Okay, so now I am having data in the both the tables. Okay, I am having all the account transaction details, and there are four account details. Okay, I want whoever done the transactions minimum three. I need those details. How I can get minimum number of transactions three? Then I need those details only. How I can get their names? I want need minimum number of transactions done is three. Some details for who done the three minimum transactions. Okay, this is my requirement. How I can do? First of all, you can explain me what is the your approach. Okay, query. Okay, we can write after that. What? How you can think of minimum transaction three? First of all, how you can count the number of transactions? Transaction rates. Okay, okay, okay. Let's assume in one day he has done two times transactions. Okay. See, first you will count the number of transactions. First thing, correct, right? That is one point here. Next, that number should minimum three. How you can get that one? Yes, excellent. You need to use the having class. Okay. On top of group functions, if you want to do any filter, you have to use the group by. Okay. Three transaction means you need to compare the that minimum number of transactions means he should do the minimum three less than or equal to three. Next, person details. How you can get? Not where class. You have to join. If you join means you can get that one. Okay. Let's write that one. Okay. Now tell me that one. First, how you will do the this minimum transactions. Okay. Let's write the transaction is what this one only accounts and transaction will do the join Next on class here is join column is same. Okay, this is clear, right, everybody? Next, what you have to do? Next, tell me. Hmm. Group by, yeah, group by which field? You can do with, because AID is unique, right? So try to use unique IDs only. Okay. This column you have to specify in the select class. Correct, right? Next, what you have to do? Count of transactions. Count of transactions means how you can get T dot. Okay, star. You can. Okay, you can use T dot star, right? Okay, T dot star or T dot amount. Okay, I never use T dot star inside the count. Let's see what will happen. Okay, T dot star. Next, what you have to do? Having count of T dot star, okay, greater than or equal to 3, because I am checking the minimum. Okay, let's see what will happen. You will get the invalid user table column. Okay, you cannot use this one. Simply specify the here the transaction details. Okay, now you will get the 1001 done the transaction 4 times, 1002 done the transactions 5 times. Let's see whether it is correct or not. Okay, 1001, 2, 3, 4. I have the 1001 done 4 times. So this is correct, right? Correct or not? Guys, okay. Now I will change my question. Here, need all the person's detail. Okay, all the person's details along with how many times they are done the transactions. Okay, here I am having account only for the whoever having in account details. Okay, that you can consider. Okay, only for these members, how many how many times people got done the transactions. Okay, this is my question. How I can get that one? Only for these 5 people. What I have to do? First of all, need all the persons. Okay, my question understood. All the persons details. Sorry, this question. Okay, sorry. This is not this one. This is my question. Need all the person details along with how many times they are done the transaction. How I can get all the person's details? First of all, how, now you can tell me that one. I need all the records from left table. Means what? Left person. If I am using the account table, left side means you what you have to use in join left join. Okay, so just you directly you can tell me. No need to think much that one. I am asking all the person details. Where persons are there, person details that is there in accounts table. So instead of that, instead of inner, you can use the left join. Okay, let's do what will happen next. How many times they've done the transactions? So what you have to do? You have to do the group by, right? You have to do the group by. So just you need to specify that one, comma. You need to specify the how many times means you have to specify the transaction count star. That's it. 1003 done 2 times, 1001 done 4 times, 1002 done 5 times, 1004 done 1 time, 100 time 5 done 2 times. That's it. Okay. Now whoever done the transactions less than 2 times, less than or equal to two, means less than 3 times, whoever done, I need those details. How I can get? Having having count star less than 3. That's it. Nothing is there in that one. You are getting that one. So here circle is not there. Okay. Now this everybody clear, right? Why I am not getting this one? Actually, left side he has not done 1005 or one person not done, right? How many people are I am having the account details? 1005 not done, but here I am not getting that one, right? 1005 also I entered. Okay, let me add one more row here. 6 and 7. Okay, A, B, 6 and PQR. Okay, 6, 7. These two persons are not done any transactions. Okay, I should get that one also. Okay, let me execute this one. I should get. Why I am not getting for them? Now tell me. They are not done any transactions. Less than 3 means what? I should get their details also, right? Or we are having any records? What is the problem here? I am using star. Star means what? It will calculate the total number of columns. Actually, what you have to do? You need to you need to use the amount. Okay, then you will get the 00. Okay, now you understood, right? For these columns, what will happen if you are doing the left join? For these columns, you will have null values. Okay, actually. So if you are doing the count for null values, what will happen? Normally it will not consider, right? Say yes or no. If you are doing the null values for count means it won't consider. So you need to specify the column. I am asking number of transactions per individual. If you are specifying star means it will consider as a one record. Already is there. Star means it will consider entire record after making the left join. Okay, that is the importance. Okay, by specifying the column star, just you should understand the difference. What will be that one? Okay. As of now, anybody have any doubts? If you have, tell me. I will explain. Again, I am asking. Again, I am repeating. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss. Everybody is clear, right? Okay. Next, I am having details in account and transaction. Okay. Here few account details 1001 and 100 or 10011 10001 and 10010. Okay, these are all not there in account details. I need all the transaction details along with along with their account details. Need all the transaction details along with their account details. How I can get or corresponding their corresponding account details. Okay. Now tell me. Select select star from transaction table. Okay. Okay. Left join account table. Okay. Next, you have to specify the join condition on condition. That's mandatory. Next, hmm, huh? Group by. Why group by? Simply you specify the T dot star, right? T dot star, comma, yes, C dot star. You will get all the data. Okay. Here actually we don't have account details for 10014, the 1009 and 10010. We don't have the details. So you will get data for null for these two transactions. Rest of the things you will get. Okay. I'm not asking any count or sum anything. I am asking just only details. Okay. Same query you can write in the right join here. Okay. Whatever we have written till this one. Okay. Simply you can write in another way. Instead of inner, simply specify the right join. Okay. You will get right side table because transaction table you are using at run right side. So you will use the right side. This will also will give same result. Okay. Nothing is there. If you are using the table at right side means you have to use right side table to get the all the details of right side table. If you are using the left side left join means you will get the all the details of left join. Just keyword is different. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now you are getting the all the details of right side table. You will get the data. Okay. Account details you are getting null values. That's it. Okay. Here I'm changing the order. That's why I'm getting like that. We'll see this one. Okay. Okay. Data will be there. Null values for the left side. Right side that will be there. Okay. Anybody have any doubts in the left join, right join, and inner join? Guys, no doubts, right? Now I want all account details and all transaction details. What I have to use? Then you will go for the full join. Means if the based upon the join key records are matching, you will get the all the data. Okay. Simply you can specify the same this one. Okay. Let me write requirement need details of all account and transaction details. Then you have to go for the full join. Okay, you will get for matching records you will get 1009 and 1010. We don't have any data in the account table, so you are getting null values. And 1006, 1007, 1004, these account holders not done any transactions, you are getting the values null. Okay, are you clear? Full join, nothing is there. If you understood left join, easily you can understand the right join and full join. Means left join you will get all the data. Right side, if matching, the data will come. If it is not matching, you will get the values as null. Okay, for the left join. Right side also same thing. Right side data will all the details of the right side table will get all the data. And if it is matching, you will get the data. If it is not matching, you will get the values as null. Full out join means it will combine the both the tables. If the matching, record will get fetch. If it is not matching, you will get left side values at the specific columns, right side values, right side table values at right side, and left side table values at left side. Okay, wherever that column is specified, rest of the places you will get the null values. Okay, are you clear? Are you clear? I should from everybody. I should get from everybody. Okay. Next, let me ask one question here. Uh, I want the details where records are not matching. I want the both the tables detail. Okay, where records are not matching. Okay, means I need this data and this data. I need unmatched data. Unmatched data I need. If I don't have the details for the account, means I need the details. I need to insert the data into the account table. If data is not there in transaction table, I need to insert the transaction details in the transaction table. So only unmatched records I need. How I can get? Hmm? Auto what auto will do? See, I am having full join. Okay, all the data. Okay, how I can fetch only this one? I am telling answer almost completely. Where condition? Okay, what I need to write? Okay, AID. Okay, okay, excellent. C dot ID is null. Okay, so what you will get? You will get only left side. I need right side also. Hmm. And column, which column I need to use? Any column. Because I am having the null values is null. What you will get? Hmm? Okay. Let me execute that query. I am not getting any records. What I have to use? either left side table or right side table. Okay, any field is null, then you can fetching means you will get both, right? Simple. Or what it will do, either this condition is true or this condition is true. Okay, it will or will do that one only, and means this should satisfy and this will should satisfy. If both are satisfying, then only it will fetch. If you are using or means either this one can satisfy or this can satisfy, it will fetch the record. Okay, anybody have any doubts? Guys, anybody have any doubts? Okay, I will create one table. Create table T1 AI set. Real number B where character specify number of the. Okay, I'm having table this one and create table T2. Okay, here let me add D E. Okay, just two columns. Common column is A. Okay, try to insert the values. Okay, I will add by myself. I will add one values A one, no one, comma A. Complete T1. Okay, we add one. This I will specify as null. Let me change this one. C D. Okay. E, yes. Okay. This is the data for T1 table. Next, I will change for same data. I will insert for T2 also. Okay. Okay. I have inserted the data. Okay. Select star from T1. Okay. I'm having data this one for the. With today's class, it should be clear. Okay. Let me use star. Okay, this is T2 table and this is T1 table. Everybody is clear with the inner join, left join, right join, everything, right? Anybody have any doubts? If no, okay. If you don't have, you have to answer this one. Okay. This is the column A, this is B, this is C. Okay, C column. And this is table 2. Here you are having ADE, right? A, D, E. Okay. Here you are having null value and you can, okay, here you are having null value. Next, okay, this is the column. Okay. Now tell me how many records will get with inner join, how many records will get with left join, how many records will get with right join. First inner join, you can tell me how many records you will get. What will be the data? Hmm. Common column is 1. Sorry, A. A. Okay, A only. Okay. Can you tell me the what will be the count for left inner join? What will be the count for left join? What will be the count for right join? This is very important question. 100% interviewer will ask by default. Even if you are specifying 8 years experience, also this question will be there. This is very basic question. If you are clear, then with which join? Inner join. How? Okay, what it will do, simply it will match with the one. Okay, one with one will match with these two records. Okay, 15th 15th and 17th row. Next, two will match with, it won't match, so it will ignore. Next, it will match with again one. Okay, separately. So what you will get, four only. Null will not match. Okay, that's why I asked specifically. Null will not match. Okay, try to execute yourself and confirm yourself. Okay, what is happening with the null values and all. Okay, specifically ask why this one means, just you need to think of null we cannot match. If we are matching means what we'll get, null only, right? We cannot match that one. Null equal, null is not equal to null, it will be wrong. Okay, that we cannot do that one. If we want, you can check that one. Select one from dual, null equal to null. We cannot write that one. SQL prompt not correctly ended. What does mean? Okay, where class we need to use? Okay, this will not work. It is not returning anything. What does mean? Null also we cannot compare that one. Okay, null equal to null, we cannot get that one. If you are, if you are simply, if you are specifying select one from dual means what? It will return the value as one. It is not returning. Means null also not equal to null. Okay, so that's why here you cannot compare the value null. Okay, just try yourself. Okay, and check count and everything. What will happen with the null value operations? Left join, right join, full join, everything. You can try yourself. What happened here? Okay, tell me tomorrow what will be the count and all. Okay. Anybody have any doubts till now?